Imagine investing just $100 today and watching it grow into thousands of dollars over time. The biggest mistake most people make isn't choosing the wrong investment, it's waiting too long to start. In this video, you'll learn exactly how beginners can start investing in 2026, even if you've never invested before. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new to investing, this video is made for you. We'll cover what investing is, where beginners should start, common mistakes to avoid, and a simple strategy that many long-term investors follow. What is investing? Investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time. Instead of letting your money sit in a regular savings account, investing gives it a chance to work for you. Examples include stocks, ETFs, index funds, bonds, and real estate. Why start early? Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing. The earlier you start, the more your money can potentially grow because of compound growth. Best investments for beginners, 4 to 6. For most beginners, many experts suggest starting with diversified investments like index funds or ETFs, rather than trying to pick individual stocks. These investments spread your money across many companies, helping reduce risk through diversification. Common mistakes, 6 to 8. Avoid these mistakes: trying to get rich quickly, investing money you'll need soon, panic selling during market declines, following social media hype without research, not investing consistently. The most important step isn't finding the perfect investment, it's getting started and staying consistent. Remember, investing is a long-term journey. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more personal finance and investing tips.